Hi friends, as I said earlier, relief features, landforms, climate and vegetation are the important factors that affects the soil formation. India has various types of soil since it has varied relief, landforms, climate and vegetation. In ancient times, there were two types of soils, fertile and sterile. Based on the texture of the soil, soil types like sandy, clayey, silty, loam, etc. can be identified. Based on the color, soil can be classified as red, yellow and black. In 1956, Soil Survey of India has been established and it studied the soil from selected places in India like Damodar Valley and etc. Indian Council of Agricultural Research did a lot of studies over Indian soils and classified it based on USDA soil taxonomy that are inceptisols, entisols, alphisols, vertisols, aridisols, altisols, mollisols and others as you can see in the screen. We are going to discuss about the classification of the soil based on its genesis, color, composition and location, which we could see in the screen. Those are alluvial soils, black soils, red and yellow soils, laterite soil, arid soils, saline soils, peaty soils and forest soils. Alluvial soils. These soils are deposited by rivers or streams. This soil covers nearly 40% of total area of the country. They are found in northern plains, Gujarat, deltas of east coast and in river valleys. The nature of the soil is sandy loam to clay and they are rich in potash but poor in phosphorus. The upper and middle Gangetic plain has two types of alluvial soils, Khadar and Bangar. Khadar is a new alluvium deposited annually by floods. These floods enriches the soil with fine silts. Bangar is a old alluvium deposited away from the floodplains. Both contains calcareous concretions. That means the porosity of the soil is filled by calcium and lime. These soils are loomy and clayey in lower middle Ganga plain and Brahmaputra valley. The sand contents decreases from west to east. The color of alluvium soil varies from light grey to ash grey. This soil is much favorable for cultivation.